Why do I keep yawning? Yeah. Aryoung, thank you for the soup. Thanks for making the Schmeagle Risa. I loved it so much. I was like, wait a minute. I literally ran to Twitter to find it and save it and put it in my program. I was like, I need to show this to everyone. Boonster, thank you for the soup. Wait a minute. This beloved guy. Schmeagle. I can't do a good Schmeagle impression, but I tried. I can just make that noise with my throat. But I can't figure out how to sound like Schmeagle. It's not my talent, sadly. I wish it was.
Schmeagle. Yeah, the precious, yes. Yeah. Is this good for your throat?
I mean, it's not bad for it. Kermit of the Rings, yeah, exactly. I wish I could do like a perfect Gollum impression. That would make me really happy. Can you say my precious?
My precious.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
Silly hobbits.